Welcome! In this lecture, we'll explore Amazon Fraud Detector, AWS's fully managed service that uses machine learning to stop fraud in real time. Amazon Fraud Detector is designed specifically for detecting suspicious activities such as fake account creation, online payment fraud, or abuse in loyalty programs. AWS provides pre-trained models based on fraud patterns learned from Amazon.com and AWS data, which helps customers get accurate results faster. It is designed for applications like account signups, payments, and loyalty programs. The workflow begins by providing Amazon Fraud Detector with your historical event data. This could be records of signups, transactions, or logins. You define feature variables and labels. For example, you label past cases as fraudulent or legitimate. Fraud Detector uses this to train an ML model automatically. Once trained, you deploy a detector, which evaluates each incoming event in real time and assigns a fraud score. Fraud Detector provides real-time APIs for fraud prediction. You don't need to manage servers or ML infrastructure. The entire lifecycle is managed by AWS. It integrates with Amazon S3 for data storage, CloudWatch for monitoring, and CloudTrail for auditing. Pricing is usage-based, making it flexible and cost-efficient. For AWS certification exams, a common challenge is distinguishing Fraud Detector from other AWS security services. Remember, Fraud Detector is for business application fraud, like online payments or new accounts. GuardDuty is for AWS environment security threats. Macie is for sensitive data discovery and protection. If the scenario is about real-time fraud in customer transactions, Fraud Detector is the correct service. Fraud Detector is most often applied in account sign-up workflows, where companies want to stop fake accounts, and in e-commerce transactions, where payment fraud is a risk. It's also useful for preventing loyalty program abuse and filtering out fake reviews or automated bot behavior. To summarize, Amazon Fraud Detector helps detect and prevent fraud in applications with minimal ML expertise required. It works in real time and is fully managed. For exams, focus on its unique use cases and how it differs from other AWS security and AI services.